Many of you who are honest will say estate planning is incredibly boring or estate planning is way too complicated. I have one simple goal, and that is for you to say estate planning is my friend. With the massive intergenerational wealth transfer that experts predict to happen over the next 30 to 50 years, this represents nothing less than a limitless opportunity for those that are willing to rise to the challenge. In the decade that I've been in practice, I've learned that effective planning requires every professional to work together as a quote-unquote team. And when the strength of each team member are combined and represented at the table, they are always greater than the sum of their parts. But on the flip side, if the professionals offer contradictory advice, the client generally ends up being confused and reluctant to move forward. So first, let's establish a fundamental understanding of what estate planning really is all about. From any given point in a person's life, regardless of their financial status, they'll be engaged in some form of wealth accumulation over a period of time leading up to retirement. And while in the process of accumulating, they must also be engaged in preservation and protection. But ultimately, that individual should exercise care in how their wealth is distributed during their lifetime or after their death. Because death is a certainty. It's not an if, it's a when. And the only thing we can't control is the when. So by definition, financial planning, the ultimate step, is estate planning, because it is a process of helping a person plan their personal and business affairs so that their loved ones can enjoy their standard of living, the deceased can give whatever they have to whomever they want to within the boundaries of the law, and as little as possible is paid in taxes and fees with minimal distribution. That being said, easy and simple decisions don't always add up to the right answers. And a few decisions that might seem easy and simple are better suited by hiring a professional, such as issues surrounding joint ownership, do-it-yourself will kits, and that famous statement, "I'll give it away while I'm alive." What you should or shouldn't do in situations like these isn't always clear, but your legal and professional advisors can bring you clarity to every aspect of your financial life when you need it the most.